Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a quick video to show you how I am changing the water pump on the Toyota Prius 2016 ZVW50. Right, it's all straightforward. What's important is you first need to take out the wheel hatch, remove the wheel, jack the car up, remove the wheel hatch, go down, take the engine cover, engine cover off. After that, put a jack underneath the engine and remove the 3 screws for the mounting. Start lifting the engine up. After that, you should have access to all the screws, including the bottom one. After that, you just have to wiggle it out. It was a little bit difficult to take it out from here. That's why I have to lift the engine up. So either lift the engine up or drop the engine down. Skill level required medium to advanced. Okay guys, so it's a straightforward process. Of course, I've got a brand new one. You need to buy a brand new one before you start. Okay.